Good morning students. Students, we were on exercise 21A. So in this video, we will start question number 4 of exercise 21A. So see what is question number 4. Following data shows the weekly wages in rupees of 10 workers in a factory. So the given data is the weekly wages of 10 workers in a factory. 3,500, 4,250, 4,000, 4,250, 4,000, 3,750, 4,750, 4,000, 4,250 and 4,000. In first part, what we have to do, prepare our frequency distribution table. We have to prepare a frequency distribution table. So students, as I told you, before making the frequency distribution table, it is better to arrange the given data in ascending or either descending order. We can do without arranging also, but it is better to arrange. So first part, see what we will take. 3,500. Yes, it is smallest number or wages. After this, yes, cut this 3,500. After this, 4,250, 4,000, 4,000, 3,750, yes, 3,750. Then 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. Yes, 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4,000. Then 4,250, 4,250, 4,250. 2, 3 times 4, 5, 0, 4, 2, 5, 0, 4, 2, 5. Then 4,750. Now see all numbers are cut. Yes, all are cut. Count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means we have written all the numbers for wages. Now we will make the frequency distribution table. At the top we will write frequency distribution table. So first head will be wages, or inside the bracket rupees. Then second head will be daily marks. Then third head will be, yes students, frequency. Third head will be of frequency. So here we will write frequency. Now 3,500 we will take first. Then next 3,750. Then 4,000. Then 4,250. Then last 4,750. Here we will write total. Then how many times 3,750? One time. So one time mark and here 1. 3,750 one time. So 1 here also 1. Then 4,000 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we will write 4. Then 4,250 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 times. Then last is 4750, 1 time. Here we will write 1 time and here 1. Now we will do the total of all frequency. It must come 10. If it is coming less than or more than 10, it means something is wrong in writing the tally marks or numbers. 4 to 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So students, total of frequency is coming 10. It means our frequency distribution table is correct. So it is about the first part, frequency distribution table. Now second part, what is the range of wages? In second part, we have to find the range of wages. So here is the space. We will write here. Here we will write range of wages. Range of wages. Formula is largest wage minus smallest wage. So largest wage is 4750 rupees. 4750 minus rupees, yes, smallest 350. So what we will get? Rupees 1250. So range of wages is coming rupees 1250. Third point, how many workers are getting maximum wages? How many workers are getting maximum wages? Minimum wages rupees 3500 and maximum wages rupees 4750. And range of wages means maximum wage minus minimum wage. And third part, how many workers are getting maximum wages? So how many workers are getting wage rupees 4750? One worker. So what we will write here? One worker. So students, it was about question number 4. I hope you all understood this solution. Now students, question number 6 and last question of this exercise. So question is, arrange the following data in descending order. So first we have to arrange this data in descending order. Descending means greater to smaller or greatest to smaller. So we can arrange 3.3, 3.7, 4.0, 4.1. Yes, 4.1 is the greatest number. 4.1. Then after 4.1, 3.3, 4.0, any other 4.0, only one. So we will take 4.0. Then yes, 3.9, 1, 2. 2 times 3.9. 3.7, 3.8, 1, so 2 times 3.8, 3.8, 3.8, then 3.7, 1, 2, 3.7, 3.7, 3.6, 1, 1 time 3.6, then 3.5, 1, 2 times 3.1, then 3.4, 1 times 3.3, only 1 time 3.3, then 3.2, 1, then after this 3.2 one time. It is 3.2, not 3.1. Then 3.1. Yes. After this, see, no number. So once check, all are cut. Yes, they all are cut. And count them also. They are 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So student, it means we had written all the numbers. Now come to first part. Determine the range. So we have to find the range. Range is equal to, formula is largest number minus smallest number, or we can write greatest number minus smallest number. So largest number is 4.1 minus 3.1. So students, range will come 1.0, it means 1. Second one, how many numbers are less than 3.5? Less than 3.5. It means number after this. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 numbers are less than 3.5. Next, third part. How many numbers are 3.8 or above? 3.8 or above. It means we will count 3.8 also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers are 3.8 or above. So students, range is coming 1. Second part, numbers are less than 3.5 or 4. Numbers 3.8 or above are 6. So students, for today only this much. We will meet in the next video with new exercise.